Credit cards can either build your financial future or wreck it. But if you use them right, they're one of the easiest tools to build strong credit. So if you're new to credit or trying to boost your score, here's exactly how to use a credit card without going into debt. Let's break it down. First, start with the right card. If you have no credit history, go for a secured credit card or a student credit card. These are designed for beginners, and you're more likely to get approved. Use your card for small, everyday purchases, stuff you already buy. Gas, groceries, a streaming subscription, things that fit in your regular budget. That way, you're building credit without overspending. Credit utilization is key. That's the percentage of your limit you're using. Try to stay under 30%, but under 10% is even better. So if your limit is $500, aim to spend no more than $150, ideally less. This part is non-negotiable. Pay your balance in full and on time every single month. You don't need to carry a balance to build credit. That's a myth. In fact, interest charges just waste your money. Set up autopay for the full balance so you never miss a payment. Credit building is a long game. There's no magic hack, it just takes consistency. Keep using your card responsibly, and over time, your score will rise. Usually within 3 to 6 months, you'll start to see results. Bottom line, use your credit card like a debit card. Never spend more than you can pay off. Do that, and you'll build credit without the stress. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more straight-up finance tips every week.